Hey, this is Vivek Oberoi. Salam, namaste, sat sri akal to all the lovely people watching ABS.
It's the first time in its 15-year history that IFA has devoted a special night to award its technicians. Called Magic of the Movies, this special award ceremony was attended by some of the biggest Bollywood celebrities who are here to support their colleagues in the technical fields.
Hi, this is Malaika Urakan.
Hi, this is Siddharth.
Hi, this is Bipasha Basu.
Hi, this is Aftab Shivdasani.
Hi, this is Sonu Sood.
ABS, welcome to IFA.
ABS, and welcome to the IFA. ABS, welcome to IFA.
ABS, welcome to IFA.
ABS, welcome to IFA.
Did you think that it was going to come to this and that you would be at the IFAs with this many potential wins?
No, never ever. When you're making a movie, you're just making the movie. And then when you're releasing the film, you're releasing it, hoping that it gets accepted by the people. And when awards come your way and nominations come your way, it's a great feeling.
Tell us about your award and how do you feel?
I feel good. Yeah, it's a lot of work that's gone in. IFA is an award that is voted for by peers in the industry, so that's special.
What are some of your favorite highlights of IFA? What do you look forward to every year when you come, and how has it been so far?
There's the awards. Actually, more than anything, it's the interaction with the fans, which is really what excites us. Because, it's not. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be around.
राजी, आपने कल परफॉर्म किया आपकी एल्बम से एक गाना. कैसा रिस्पांस था ऑडियंस का?
ऑडियंस का बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस है और इंशाल्लाह एल्बम बहुत अच्छी होगी. इट्स ऑल अबाउट बेस्ड ऑन लव सॉन्ग्स. जस्ट इजी टू लिसन. इट विल बी वेरी गुड एल्बम.
So Shankar, how does it feel to have your son nominated? I mean, he's following in your footsteps and you must be brimming with joy.
Well, I just hope and pray that he surpasses me tenfolds. And the fact that he's nominated is the proudest moment for a father.
Are you hearing that? How do you feel hearing that response and how do you feel about tonight?
Just a huge responsibility after hearing something like that. And tonight I know it's going to rock because all these fantastic performers are going to be there.
I always looking forward to coming here for IFA because every year they really put up a great show.
You actually co-hosted last night. Do you have a huge weight lifted off your shoulders? Can you just...
I can sit back, relax, probably just, keep my legs up and just
I let my hair down, relax. The show last night was a big hit. It was really nice to see the response from the audience. Totally enjoying myself now.
I would say, it's just a great experience, especially when you have so many Indians here. I think Tampa was one when we all really were looking forward to.
How does it feel to be in America where you have probably so many more fans than the rest of the world?
America has a lot of Indian community which watch Indian films, and we've gone global today, and this is the first IFA which is the first time in America, the gateway to America, and we hope to come here again and have a great time always.
How important are tonight's awards? Are they almost like the unsung heroes?
Yes. I think things are changing now, I feel. You cannot completely say the unsung hero. There are certain technical people who today also make, to a certain extent, they can make the film open. They can make the film sell. And stars and actors would give their left arm to work with them.
मुझे लगता है टेक्नीशियंस हर सूरत में ख्याल करते हैं. एक स्टार को स्टार बनाने में उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है. तो मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ जो टेक्नीशियंस हैं सबका.
Filmmaking is all about teamwork, and each one of these technicians are extremely crucial for the film to reach to you in just the perfect manner. So we are applauding them.
I think it's very important, and I'm really glad that there's a separate night just for that, Magic of the Movies, and I'm really looking forward to seeing them, and I'm rooting obviously for Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. I hope they win a few technical awards.
जगदीश त्यागी जी, जॉली कहते हैं मुझे.
हाँ, कहाँ से LLB की आपने?
जी, लॉ कॉलेज मेरठ.
Any favorite picks of the year that you want to tell us about?
I pretty much, my film won national awards, so I'm happy about that. But I think Milka was good. Farhan put a lot of work in it, a lot of hard work.
To see Bongo?
Yes.
Vicky Donor, you know, such an amazing hit around the world. Did you expect it to have the kind of success it does when you were making the film?
Not at all. I don't think it's really easy to anticipate, especially when you're just starting out. I knew it was going to be a good film, but to have it, to have it got received, I think admiration and love at such a huge level, it was not anticipated at all.
I'm having a good time and very excited to perform for IFA Awards. Tonight I'm going to perform my all hit numbers like Bidi Pika Nukkad Pe Ved Tera Kiya Re Gandi Baat Gandi 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 Baat Aur Paadi To Banti Hai Subah Hone Na De Sham Ko Na De. तो आज बहुत मजा आ रहा है and बहुत मैं enjoy कर रहा हूँ.
How does it feel to be at IFA, and is there anything special you're looking forward to this weekend?
Well, I'm looking forward to winning the award, I hope, because I'm nominated and it's always good to be at IFA.
इलेक्शन सर्कस की तरह होता है जहाँ पे जोकर सिर्फ टाइम पास के लिए होता है. टिकटें खरीदी जाती है शेर को देखने के लिए.
Well, Bhootnath Returns became a very, very special film for us, simply because it was a comeback film for the BR film banner. And then Mr. Bachchan and that little revelation of the little kid Akrot and a wonderful actress Usha Jadhav. Everything came together. Sometimes some films just get a blessing and they just work. And Bhootnath has been one of those.
Pariniti, you said you wanted to focus on your style at the last press conference, and this is obviously looking fantastic on you.
I'm trying. I mean, I know it's going to be a few hits and misses, I guess, because I've not been a very fashionable person in life. But I'm trying. I'm trying to do different things, trying to take a little bit of risks, which I never used to. Trying to get in shape, everything. I just hope people like it.
Any special performances you're looking forward to this week? Anyone you want to really see perform?
There are a lot of people who are performing this time. Ritik, Ranveer, there's Kareena, I think, performing as well. I'm not really sure who all, but I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm just waiting for everybody to take me by surprise.
Today, I'm really looking forward to Saif Ali Khan and Veer Das, because I know I'm going to have a tummy ache and I'm going to be laughing off my seat.
Talk a little bit about your performance and what's different this time. Any nerves?
Yeah, nerves. A bundle of nerves, It's performing in front of audiences that love you. You are going to put your best, but, there are a lot of external factors which play into, doing a proper performance. So, yes, nervous as always, and I hope I do my best.
Well, tomorrow night is my performance in America after 10 long years. So I'm very excited, I'm very eager. And I have been practicing a lot. It's one of my longest acts, grueling. But Shamak knows, best about performances and how to present an act. So I'm really hoping this will be one of my best.
This is the first time that I'm doing anything in this capacity in America. Of course, I've come earlier to promote some of my films, but I've never performed, and so I'm looking forward to that.
I'll be performing tomorrow for the first time. It's my first time with IFA tomorrow. So very excited, very nervous at the same time. Shamak's come with a tough act. I'm doing all the nomination songs and some of my own songs. So looking forward to it. Let's see, we should have a good show.
Well, we've tried to make it very interesting, and of course, it'll be my popular numbers, but they'll have to wait and watch.